Where's my entrance? There's my entrance. Oh, my entrance is a little soft that time. This is a good way to break in my tire. This looks a little more chewed up than usual. It's like they've been getting some vehicle traffic in this part of the road. It's kind of shadowy over here. Probably not the best time to do this. A little bit of gravel to make my day slippery. This patch always looks really soft. It's just really pale. You know that song that says, I need to praise you like I should? That is like on a loop in my head, just that one verse. Or those two verses. It's just in there. Sorry, I'd be going faster on this, but like I said, my low light vision sucks and the shadows are making it hard for me to see anything. It'd be super duper awesome if I had suspension that I could rely on for this part, but I don't. I like saying super duper awesome for some reason. Because it's super duper awesome, maybe that's why. This is where I disembark from the dirt. Morning. Oh shit. I gotta try not to fall over.